Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2020 320 Vantage. This is an incredible boat, does everything very, very well. It's got the Abaco finish on it, and it also has a dive door, which is a really nice feature, and it's powered by the new 300 horsepower, ton of horsepower for this motor. Gets right out of the plane, good top end. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. Told you about the 300 horsepower on the back, the new engine's fantastic. So if you're going to go out for a sunset or a lunch or a dinner, this seat is incredibly comfortable for 4 adults. And if you are not going to, you're going out fishing, you want to throw the line overboard, you just pop it up. And it's a very comfortable leaning post on it. And on starboard side, we've got the dive door, which is just great. If you're swimming and you want to get it on and off the boat, it's got its own heavy-duty ladder. It's easy to get on and off the boat. And if you are fishing, instead of bringing the fish over the gunnel where you could possibly lose it, you can slide it right into the fish boxes, take the hook out, great. Moving over to this seat, it's incredibly versatile. So it's a double, and you can do it at different, it'll lock in different things. I can flip this down, I can flip it all the way down, I can flip that one all the way down for a huge sun pad. It's just a great, great seat with storage under both sides. Back over here, we've got a little kitchen area. With a live well, so it actually doubles as a really nice cooler, but the live well is right here. Got a refrigerator with a little freezer in it, and then just a little prep area with some drink holders, so with a pull-out sprayer, very, very nice. We move over to the seat. This is a very comfortable two-person, a two-adult seat with a remote that can bring it up and down if you want to see up. But if you're short, you want to get up a little higher, just lifts you right up, very nice. And then you got a little cabin. So it'll actually turn into a bedding area. So this will slide down and make it a place you can get down and lay down if you need a little nap. And then over at the helm, very comfortable helm here, and it has the joystick on it. I love the joystick. Boat will go sideways, go any direction you want to go. Get in any slip in any condition. It's great. Also has the sky hook. You can hit the button. If you're waiting for a slip assignment or you want to just get your boat all ready to go into a slip, you can hit the sky hook, locks you in position, get everything ready, go right in. And also great for sunset. Just point the boat at the sunset, hit the button, you can sit up in the bow, you're directly facing the sunset. It's great. It'll stay in one place for an hour if you wanted to. Digital throttle and shift. You've got an area here to put, you can pick your own electronics on it. So if you like Garmin, if you like Marine, whatever you want, we can put it on right here for you. And you've got the head. So the head is really, really nice setup. It's got a little skylight in it, so it gives you extra lighting. It's got a teak seat that covers the vacuum flush head. So when you want to change your clothes, it's very, very easy. It's very deep, a lot of head clear room. So really nice head. So we move forward. You've got a nice U-shaped seating area. And then when we move to the bow, we've got the windlass, and we also have the ladder. The ladder extends off the front, makes it very easy. You can pull the boat right up onto the shore, get right down into the sand without getting in the water. I think my wife happens to like that a lot. Also, when you're coming back on, you can do a quick spray, get the sand off your feet, get the sand out of the boat. It's great. So this boat does everything well. You can go in the Gulf, no problem. Long distances, no problem. Pretty much take you wherever you want to go. So if you've got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.